In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eBay coupons. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Seller Hub to set up a coupon you can share with buyers and use to drive more sales. We'll move through the path together, nice and steady, so you can follow along without missing a thing. Start on the eBay homepage and look toward the top of the screen for the My eBay menu. Hover your cursor over My eBay to reveal more options. This quick hover is what opens the menu you need, and it's the easiest way to get to your seller tools without digging through multiple pages. From that menu, click on Selling. This takes you into the Seller Hub, which is the central place for managing your listings, orders, and marketing. If your Seller Hub looks a little different than mine, don't worry. Layouts can vary slightly, but the tabs we're using are consistent. Once you're in the Seller Hub, find the Marketing tab across the top navigation and click it. The Marketing area is where eBay groups all your promotional tools, including markdowns, volume pricing, and, of course, coupons. It's designed to keep everything you need for promotions in one place. Inside Marketing, look for the section labeled Discounts and click on it. Discounts is where you'll see existing promotions and shortcuts to create new ones. If you manage multiple offers, this page is also handy for tracking what's active and what's scheduled. Next, click on Create Promotion. This button opens a menu of promotion types so you can choose the format that best fits your goal. Whether you want to reward repeat buyers, nudge hesitant shoppers, or encourage larger carts. From the list of promotion types, click on Coupon. This is the option that lets you generate a unique code buyers can enter at checkout, or a public code you can share in your marketing. After you select Coupon, eBay will guide you through settings like the discount type, the minimum spend, start and end dates, and which items to include. Take a moment to choose clear eligibility rules and a memorable code so it's easy for buyers to use. It's also a good idea to cap the total budget or redemptions if you want tighter control over costs, and to preview which listings are covered before you finalize anything. That's the full path. Hover on My eBay, click Selling, go to Marketing, open Discounts, choose Create Promotion, and then select Coupon. Follow those steps anytime you want to launch a fresh offer and keep your store promotions organized and effective.